Meme coins are all the rage right now. They're red hot, but if you would like to look at a project with potentially invest in something which has real world application and it is exciting and has good upside potential, but is high risk, stick around whilst I'll talk about this project. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto. No FOMO. Before I show you the project, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest any money and only invest what you can afford to lose. As you can tell, I probably had quite a bit of a rough cold. I have a bit of a sore throat, so just forgive that through the croakiness of the video. But I wanted to upload this video to bring this project to your attention so you can do further research and decide if this will fit into your portfolio or not. Okay, so the project, the actual token I want to talk about is called Artificial Liquid Intelligence. Okay, so it's currently just under 2 US cents per ALI. So this is the ticker ALI here. So if I ever say Ali, I'm talking about artificial liquid intelligence in this video. Market cap is just under 70 million. 24-hour trading volume just over 4 million. Circulating supply 3.5 billion. Total supply 10 billion here. Okay. The markets where you can purchase this are here. I buy this through crypto.com. But you can also get it through these other exchanges here. And you've got Uniswap as well, which is a decentralized app. So as you can see, we'll scroll down somewhat. Red. These prices have gone down. So it's roughly double from the all-time low. I think this could 100x from the all-time low, so potentially 50x from here. If it goes up even higher, that's great news. So the all-time high was 20 US cents. That was almost 2 years ago, and it was kind of like after the big drop off from the end of what was it, of 2021. So I think this could have good upside potential with the upcoming bull cycle. So I will go into these parts here. Does this load up? Sorry, it's a bit slow here. So here are a couple of the web pages taken, just links available on CoinGecko. So it has an ecosystem that enables AI ownership, and it fosters collaborative creativity. Sorry. So it's democratizing artificial intelligent access, advancing interoperability. So AI protocol suite of trustless smart contracts, cross-chain compatibility, cutting-edge AI models fosters an ecosystem of seamless interoperability for AI models, characters, and assets. Also, I will touch upon on the other part here is the ownership of AI. So the AI protocol tech stack allows participants to benefit from the value they create within a transparent and trustless framework here. So at a glance, this is the ecosystem. So 150,000 tokenized AI assets, over 300,000 AI characters created. I'll get onto that in a moment here. So as you can see here, so democratized artificial intelligence infrastructure, be able to create, own, and transfer interoperable AI models, tokenized AI agents, which is intelligent NFTs, AI assets, and more. Deploy decentralized apps utilizing the AI protocol suite of no-code AI tools and permissionless smart contracts, and tokenized AI protocol compatible assets on the blockchain. Yeah, so I won't read through every single bit verbatim. I will put this on here. Maybe you want to pause it at your own part here. So the artificial liquid intelligence, it's a native to ERC20 utility token of AI protocol that is blockchain agnostic, serving to regulate and coordinate participants of the AI protocol ecosystem. So we have to create intelligent NFTs, upgrade the intelligence levels of the intelligent NFTs, execute transactions between NFTs. There's quite a lot here. So these are the a blockchain agnostic utility token. The AI protocol's blockchain agnostic nature grants everyone the freedom and convenience to participate in the ecosystem on multiple blockchains. Powering AI protocol ecosystem. The artificial liquid intelligence token serves a variety of functions, including regulating and fueling the growth of the entire ecosystem. Okay, so with that in mind, I'll go on to the next page here. So it's very interesting development where they want to develop kind of characters. So it's got character GPT version 2. It's the world's first multimodal AI system capable of generating interactive AI characters from the natural language descriptions. Receives a significant upgrades that enhances its comprehension, generative capabilities, output diversity, and capacity to create higher fidelity characters. So this would be like having like 3D characters which will actually interact. Kind of think of it like a chatbot, which will have natural language models and machine learning and be able to uh, interact. I'm quite biased in that I have a friend who has who's developed a chatbot for like real estate. I'm not going to plug it, but this is why I keep thinking of chatbots all the time. But it could be used in other capacities as well. Um, because it says it's the dawn of the generative age. In the same way that internet revolutionized content distribution, AI is revolution content creation. So if you do explore around, they did have a video where they had their characters from character GPT and utilize it in different ways. So it wasn't all just chatbots. They could be use it to have marketing. So they have like a TikTok for example, but it was like an AI character and it would have content this way. So the thing is, it's the speed of having these characters up. So I think in the video that I watched, it was like a matter of minutes. And the thing is, it will with this, they'll be able to have ownership of these characters as well. So character GP T version 2 makes text to character a reality. It introduces significant upgrades to the already revolutionary AI system. So look, we're getting used to AI characters in our everyday lives. It allows users to quickly generate interactive AI characters with higher fidelity, appearances, voices, personalities, and identities. These generative AI characters can be tokenized on the blockchain, customized, and trained to fulfill a variety of roles and tasks. It introduces improvised comprehensive capabilities, resulting in improved understanding of user requests and interactions that are more engaging. So I did have experience like with a chatbot, for example, where it felt like I was going up against a brick wall. I was like, no, you don't understand what I'm asking. It's like with all the nuances as well, which a human will understand the nuance, will be able to read between the lines. So I hope that a system such as this will be able to do that as well. So Character GPT version 2 can be used to create AI characters for a variety of use cases. So digital twins, digital guides, digital companions, and virtual assistants. So My Character AI is the first external decentralized application built on the AI protocol that makes Character GPT widely accessible, it, enabling generation of realistic, interactive, emotionally expressive AI characters that are tokenizable on the blockchain. So perhaps maybe this could be like a generate your own NFT. I'm not sure. um, I won't go on to too much more because the video has gone quite long. But what I will say as well is that on the announcement on their Medium page, uh, ALTBAE AI strategically partners with Amazon Web Services. So this enables, in this video, they were saying how AWS enables them to actually uh, deploy their character GPT. I think so. It effectively helped with the bandwidth. At least that's how I understood it. You'll also follow them on Twitter as well if you want to keep up to date on there. And also, if this was going to go to approximately 100x at the current price, it would need to reach a 7 billion market cap of a price of 196. I did say from the current price will be about 50, so about 103. I think would be the maximum price, but I'll be pleasantly surprised if it does go higher. Let's go down to 30. 30x on today's price would be a price of 60 US cents, market cap of 2.2 billion. Half of that would be roughly 32 cents, 1.1 billion. Let's go to 10x will be from now to 22 cents, market cap of 782. So these are just some examples of, just to give you a kind of illustrative guide of what the price and market cap could be. But this is something that I will be investing in just bit by bit by bit, getting as much as I can. I can't be involved with every project, but I think for artificial intelligence, I think this is one of the better high risk plays when the AI narrative takes off. Again, as I said at the beginning of my video, I know meme coins are kind of like really spicing up, but I think once it cools down, I think more sensible projects will start to go up along the bull run, especially with the advance of artificial intelligence. And I think the Ali token will perform well in the next bull cycle. If that's interesting to you, please leave a like on the video. Every like on this video makes my cold and throat better, so I need all the likes I can get. And subscribe if you haven't done so already.